Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 69 reg BMW 320i automatic M Sport. New model, first of the breed, 30,000 miles on the clock, in beautiful, beautiful blue metallic and sitting on the 19-inch factory optional upgrade extra alloy wheels. Now they are all in wonderful condition. Very, very nice car all round this. Automatic, silky smooth, 2-litre petrol engine which is fantastic on fuel and a real pleasure to drive these. If you've not had the opportunity to actually sit in one, come down to the showroom, it's in the showroom, and come and have a sit in it because they're absolutely gorgeous. Pretty much the size of the old 5 Series these now, but when you take a look at the paintwork you can tell that it's been really, really well looked after. Do like that new larger kidney grille. As I say, the paintwork is nice all round. When you take a look down the side you can see that there's free from any trolley dent whatsoever. All the tyres are all in great condition. Just been serviced in our detailing department and service department, so we've had the wheels off, we've detailed them so they're all nice, as good as we can get them. As I say, all the tyres are in wonderful condition as well, just been MOT'd, 19-inch upgrade wheels. Got to have one of these with the 19s on in my opinion. Coming round the back, very angular, tweaked, smoked rear lamps, twin tailpipes, grey diffuser at the bottom, 320i, parking sensors on the front and the rear and a reverse camera. Look how big that boot is, it's huge. And also then you've got a split folding 60/40 rear seat with the handles in the boot. Bumpers are very, very smart on these. Do like the twin tails coming out. Take the badges off, put an M Sport badge on the rear. But just look at it, the paint is gorgeous. Black detailing around the windows, privacy glass. But everything about it is in lovely condition. Got 2 keys in my pocket. Good as new that. Put a private reg on, all your neighbours will think you've got a new car. Now when I pop this door open, you see the black Dakota leather. The last M Series was good and this now is even better. Just look at the ribbing on the driver's seat there. I do like that. The bolsters, a variety of shapes and it's just lovely that, isn't it? Contrast stitching white. And all of that sorted. Aluminium detailing. Obviously you've got blue lighting on this, ambient lighting system. Power folding door mirrors. There we go, auto dimming as well, those. Electric, obviously, 4 electric windows, contrast stitch on the door cards. We've got automatic headlamps, we've got aluminium pedal set, M Sport, really good stereo as you can hear. I'm going to switch that off, turn it down. Reversing camera with parking sensors, heated seats, climate control, you name it, we've got it. Very easy to use iDrive on these now. We've got Comfort, Eco Pro and Sport mode. Easy, lovely, silky smooth gearbox. We've then got multifunction steering wheel, leather trimmed, paddles as well. A real sense of occasion in this car now. Cup holders for the coffee in the morning is fast asleep. You can see that there, the blue light in there, the ambient lighting system. But just look at the seats, lovely, lovely interior on this. I don't smoke and I tell this car's never been smoked in. Obviously it still has that new smell as well in here. Interactive cockpit as well there, you can have your radio up there. We can have music collection, you can download everything, look at it. I do like these new dashboards. You can just go through them and you see everything as you're driving down the road. But fantastic. There you go, a larger map, we've got the media player, communication system, home button, internet accessibility, navigation map, you name it, we've got it. Reversing camera, yeah. 30,000 miles on the clock of this as well. So, gosh, been nowhere really, has it, when we think 3-year-old, 10,000 miles a year, who does that these days? 3-zone climate, so we've got climate in the back of the car as well. But the seats in the rear, they're also in ribbed and in perfect order. I do like the seats in this, and you've also get the ambient lighting running through again down the door handles. Well, just look at that for an inside of a car. Absolutely fandabby-dozy. So if you want any more info on it, I'm Graham, we've got Dom and we've got Lee on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way. This is going in the showroom, so come and have a look, sit in it. These are an amazing family car. 2-litre petrol engine, automatic transmission, upgrading, metallic paint, privacy glass, 19-inch wheels. What a cracker. Check our socials, check out our reviews, see what customers are saying about us. We've been doing this now for more than 40 years here in Wigan, and we're still owned by the same family and the same values. So give us a call. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.